Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to add new users in Administrator Plus and give them proper rights. For creating new users, you have to go in Masters and then choose User Master. It will display existing users. Now click on Add New to create a new users. You can see this interface where we will going to create a new user. Code. You can type the user code or you can say user ID SKG. Employee ID. It is not mandatory, but you can type the employee ID of this user for any administrative purpose. Then mobile number. Role. This role is not used anymore. This is for the backward compatibility only. You can define role here. Different type of roles. Password. You can define the password for this user. Let me type password 123456. Retype password. Full name, the name of this user. Email ID, just for forget password or some notifications. These are few options. Hide bill summary in IPD. Hide menu for this user so that user cannot see any irrelevant menu. Hide admitted patient list. The patient list is by default shown on the main windows, so it will hide the admission list. Then department, which department user belongs to. This is not in use. Suppose user left the job or you don't want to give him access further, so you can do not in use. Company, suppose you have multiple units in a hospital, you can select that which unit user can log into. You can make it all. This is IP. If you want user can only log in through only one particular laptop or desktop for security purpose, you can type the IP address here. Role code. This is the role that is defined in the system. We will cover this in a separate video how to define the roles, but you can put the user in particular role and all the properties of this role will automatically be associated with this user, like user is a diagnostic, user is in a nursing role, user in the supervisor role. So you can define the multiple role against one users. So all the properties of these three roles will be associated to the users. So I like to show some additional options, additional details. This is basically interface options, so it's not relevant. Ward floor room. Ward is not defined in this particular database. Floor, that user can log in from the first floor. That means user can only log in the patients of first floor room, or you can limit the user right to a particular room, that only COVID bed 01. Only user can make the entries of COVID bed 01 rooms only. Department for approval, that user can approve entry for which departments. Suppose user is a supervisor or HOD, so what are the department entries user can approve. Then navigation control, this is an important option, that which page should appear as soon as user is logged in. Suppose you want this page, you can choose from here and type here. So when user will be logged in, automatically this interface is displayed to the user. Though this particular is not required, but just for example, I am giving you the example. You can go in any form and choose the link and paste it here. Lab permissions. The user is under the lab module. These are the permissions you can set. These are all fine tunings. So one thing more, that this department user can choose multiple, like biopsy. This means that user can do the billing under these departments. Thank you for watching this video. Do watch our other videos on our official YouTube channel. Thank you.